So guys, heto na nga. So I just went to a mall and nakakita tayo ng bagong product ng Engbitin. I don't know kung bago nga to, pero first time ko siyang nakita dun sa may rack or dun sa may pinaka-store ng Engbitin dito sa Rizal. So it seems, well, hindi rin ako fan ng what do you call this, ng fruit na to. Pero as a very curious person, you know, gusto ko lang i-try ano bang lasa nito, and wala na. Kasi I've tried yung durian coffee, I've tried yung durian candy. So far between durian coffee and durian candy, mas gusto ko yung durian candy. And there's another, yung durian ice cream. Pero the fruit itself, I think it's acquired taste. So let's see kung anong klase yung ginawa ni Engbitin dito, making it as a durian, what do you call this, as a durian hopia. Anyway, let's see. Yan natin. Ito siya. Pagbukas mo, amoy na agad siya. Very, very durian. So let's see. Yung loob, ano magiging itsura nito? No? And let's see. Wow. Durian na durian nga. I would say mas masarap siya sa durian candy na tikman ko. But this one, it's, I think nag-complement naman. So, Engbitin para sa akin, okay, approve to. So, Engbitin, baka naman. Okay guys, let's get it and try it. You know, I think this is another way of loving durian. And yeah, Engbitin, you did a great job dito sa durian na to. You give justice to the fruit. Okay.